Babe, see, I feel choked. I feel caged. We don't need one for our wedding, right? Right. Budgeting just sounds like suffering. My special day is not about money. My friend Tade, she spent $70,000 on our wedding and just chef's kiss.
Budgeting is deciding ahead of time where your money should go, instead of wondering later on where it went. It is telling your money, you work for me. In companies, budgets are how organizations survive. They plan operations, salaries, rent, utilities.
And projects, expansions, new product lines and services, and big one-time investments.
So, like day-to-day life versus special events?
Exactly. Your rents, groceries, transportation, that's operational. Your wedding, buying a house, starting a business, that's a project budget.
So even corporations don't wing it?
Never. Because without a budget, you are not managing money, you are reacting to it.
Okay, well, you convinced me. Why does budgeting actually matter?
3 big reasons. First, control. If you don't assign money a job, it gives itself one.
That's true, and it usually chooses nonsense.
Second, peace of mind. Budgets reduce anxiety because surprises become planned for.
That part's very underrated.
And third, alignment. Your budget shows you what you truly value, not what you say you value.
So how do people actually budget without losing their minds?
There are different approaches, and none of them is one size fits all.
Some people use fixed budgets. Every dollar has a job. Some use flexible budgets, where there's room to adjust as life happens. Others separate operational money from project money, while some budget percentages, where there's needs, wants, and savings.
I think people hate budgeting because it feels like a box, like clipped wings.
And that's the misconception. Budgeting is a learned skill. For me, I would call it an art.
So the budget serves me, not the other way around.
Always, if your budget doesn't reflect your life and your values, it is not a good budget.
So budgeting isn't the enemy.
Finally!
If this helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who thinks budgeting is evil.
On the next one, we will be talking about negotiation.
And that's an introduction to budgeting.